come on stage. So Kamal, your topic for today is if success were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world. If success were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world. And your time starts now.
Good evening, everyone. Topic says, if success come easy to me, I could have ruled the world. And I'm still thinking, is it success really easy? And so far in my life or my journey, I think I struggled every day. I struggled in my personal life, I struggled in my professional life. And every day I'm learning. Success is never easy to me, but as Arun wanted that success come easily to me, and even I wanted that to happen to me, that success come easy to me, and then when I start ruling my world, the first thing that I wanted to do is, I wanted to have my life with all the fun, all the joy, with no pressure from my personal life or my professional life, wherein people can enjoy, they should enjoy me even if I'm doing bad, even if I'm doing good. They say, okay, here Kamal is, and she's the lady who make everybody happy wherever she is. I think that's what I wanted to do. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamal.
You're full of humor today. Now something serious. If you were to get success very easily, you would have ruled the world. If you were to have got success very easily, you would have ruled the world.
Thank God you said if in the beginning. If you wouldn't have told if in the beginning, I must be thinking how to win this contest. I'm only thinking if I'm not winning this contest, how do I explain it to my wife while carrying the plate that she asked? Are you really successful? I said yes, I'm going to be the survivor, not the victim. And thank God you did a good introduction about me as a human person. According to me, success is a combination of your efforts, your dedication, and your character. And if I have to simplify it, it's basically about 3 C's. You need to communicate yourself what you want to be. You need to really cool when problem comes to you. And you need to be really defining your character to sustain the failure. Then only you can become a successful person. But if every person can be successful, then everyone would have become Sachin Tendulkar. About 100 crore people watch cricket, and there are only 20 members in the Indian cricket team. It's only the differentiating factor is those who are watching cricket, they are still watching in front of TV. Those who took the bat, went to field, practiced every day, they became successful. So if you want to be a really successful person, be on the field, on your chosen field, take actions towards that, and that will make you a real person, and that is when you will come on TV. You don't have to watch TV. All the time.
Toastmaster, the success comes to you very easily. You would have ruled the world. If success came to you very easily, you would have ruled the world.
First of all, I believe success does not come very easily. You need to work very hard for it. And the word success itself tells that there is no shortcuts. You've got to travel along. But if I'm already successful and I'm ruling the world, I would change various things in the world. First of all, the strategies how the government work, I would change that in a way that I know that corruption is deep neck all through the veins. So what I would do is, instead of further clean the system, I would first delete the regular staff that we are having in the government staff. I would retire them with good funding for the rest of their life, and I would invite new staff where I am going to have a very good healthy salary for them. That salary will be in such a good nature that they will not further plan to correct themselves. And I will have stringent and very strict rules and regulations for the newer staff that corruption should not happen. If not, their life will come to a halt. So corruption is the basis of all problems in today's society, in the world. It's everywhere. So if we correct corruption, then the world can come to a normal life and we can breathe in. That's it. Thank you.
Easily for you, you would have ruled the world. If success were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world.
Good evening, distinguished guests and fellow Toastmasters. I am Yank Toastmaster, 6 weeks into the Toastmaster session. So, if I was, can you just repeat that?
If success were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world.
So it all depends on what you mean when you say success. Success is defined by different people differently. Success for somebody could be in terms of positions, in terms of money. Success for somebody could be in terms of how you live your life, what is the legacy you left. So success for me would be the terms of what is sort of relationships, what is sort of contribution I made to the society. So success in terms of being successful to me is in terms of how I contribute to this world. I'm really sorry.
That will come easily for you, you would have ruled the world. And if success were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. Well, thanks so much, Lieutenant Master, for giving me a very wonderful topic about success. Success never comes easy to anybody. Does anybody agree with my statement? Yes, it doesn't come easy. You have to go for it. Some people are born with talent, some people are born with luck. So what they expect to be successful in life. But according to me, success has 3 definitions: hard work, dedication, sense of fulfillment, and self-satisfaction. These are the words what success can define of any individual. If success was happened to me, I would have probably said I am successful as of now. But I wouldn't say that word because according to me, I'm still in a learning phase and still there's a lot for me to learn and acquire things in my life, in my future, and establish myself where I can reach a level where I can actually satisfy myself and say it as I'm successful. There are a lot of people you can see, like a cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, when he was 17 years old, no one said that he's going to be successful now, where he's called God of Cricket. You can see in the Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan, he was not knowing that he's going to be a very famous, well-known Bollywood star if success would have been there. And now he's a very well-known person, a personality who represents India. So success is there in everybody's life. It's just your responsibility, your skill to polish it and make most use of it. And I would want to leave with you all a thought that if you're not born with success, if you're not born with leadership or anything, the skills which you want, think what you have been or what you have done in future. So over to you, Toastmaster.
were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world. If success were to come easily for you, you would have ruled the world.
Very good evening, Toastmaster. I'd just like to share an incident which recently happened with us. First time in AGS, we have women's cricket tournament. And you are aware about it?
Yes.
14 years now we have women's cricket tournament. And my team size have only 30 women's employees. To form a team, we need at least 14 of them. It was a great challenge because most of them have married and have kids. So I called for a meeting and I told them, see, this is a great opportunity. So let's take this opportunity and have a cricket tournament. They noted Ed, who said, I'm not interested. Who said, like, I'll try, but what is the criteria? Should I come on Saturday or Sunday? I said, no, this time it's going to be very easy. We need to practice during our weekdays. To motivate them, I said, see, I'm also going to be part of your team. So please take this opportunity and we will play. It's not about winning or losing. It's about playing the game. So when I approached people, person who are physically fit or not mentally ready to play. People are not very much fit, but they are motivated to play. So it's about playing, and winning is a second chance. So what we did, we formed a team, and to motivate the team, there was Ramya who was being made as a captain because she is physically fit, and I took the role of vice captain. Never in my life I played cricket, and this is the time I've taken this chance to do it. First time I'm wearing a track pant, wearing a shoe, and practicing. Very tough. But there was a lot of motivation which encouraged me to do. So think, success is not easy. It's very tough. You cannot dream of success